Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the kind of axe King Kong had in King Kong versus Godzilla, Godzilla versus King Kong. I'm going to go over how to draw that axe. It's a request from somebody in the comments section. If you ever want me to draw something, request it in the comments and I will do it. So we're going to go over that step by step completely for beginners. It's a cool axe. It's made from one of Godzilla's fins, or whatever you call it, the dorsal fin, right? One of the spikes he has. So that's pretty much it. Okay, let's jump into it. Before that, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Hitting the subscribe helps the entire channel out as far as the algorithm goes, but helps you out because it'll post on your feed when I post. So the idea is I post every day, and you'll see a cool thumbnail on your feed, and you'll be like, oh, cool, okay, I can draw that today. And you kind of, decide to do it or not. So anyways, there's no losing, so absolutely hit that subscribe. So let's jump into the axe. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to go over here and draw the tip of the axe, because the axe is kind of made of like a giant chunk of wood or something, right? So the top right here is going to be very wooden. Curve over here where it's more or less tied. Pull down that shape. It's a little bit of thickness around there. Curve in. Gonna go down to this side. Pull it downward. Gonna go from the front here now, and I'm gonna draw the rest of that wooden stick. So maybe gonna pull back here, down. This is funny. The instruction for this is funny. Don't make it too straight. Kind of wiggle it like back a little bit. It's supposed to be made of like a natural material. Go over here as well. This side, and then down the handle. So since that's made of like a natural material, we're gonna draw thin lines in it, like here. See? I believe it's made of wood. Line over here, line over here. These lines are just random organic lines, but they go with the length of it, right? And they have to be thinner than the outside line so that it comes off more like detail as opposed to something else. You want it to come off like detail. That's the whole point of it. Alrighty. Let's keep going over here, a little more detail. And let's go over here with what this is tied with. Same thing. You're drawing like these thinner lines to create a texture, right? The entire point is to create that texture. So when you're creating that texture, you want it to add to the detail. So it has to be these thinner lines here. It has to be to create that detail. Otherwise, like I said, it's going to overwhelm everything, and you're going to be wondering what's going on. You'll be like, what? Like, this isn't like working. Like, what is the matter with this thing? So you really kind of need to do that. So hopefully that kind of makes enough sense to why you should do that, because otherwise it's going to be kind of a mess. So let's go over here and draw the main part, right? Godzilla's axe part. And like I said, stick around to the very end. I'm going to do something that'll tie the whole drawing together. We're going to go here. We're going to draw one of his fins in there. And it's craggly, right? But there's going to be one spike. And it can be craggly on the way there. Over here. Craggly back. Up. In. Over here on this side. Out. And now this is going to be more of craggly on this side. Boom. Over here. Boom. Over here underneath. Another spike. Boom. Boom. Right there. And then you have that, again, that kind of dorsal, that whole dorsal spine thing going on inside So that's gonna be really really worth it. So the thing is, though, you're trying. The problem is you're trying to not. There's no problem, sorry, but you're trying to make these things look natural, right? And it's like, how do you make these things look organic? Honestly, the coolest part about this is the more organic it looks, the better, because it's made of organic pieces. So realistically, you don't really have to do much in the way of like, you know, how much effort you like push into it, right? It can be this kind of thing where, you know, the mistakes make it like come together more. So it's kind of cool in that way. So, all right, let's keep pushing in here. So the inside should be you know, radiating a little bit. So by that I mean it's gonna be a little bit it's gonna be a little more how do you say it? How do you say that word? Anyways, it's supposed to be glowing, but let's keep moving on, okay? So let's push in. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna throw again thinner detail lines inside this. The point of this is so that you have like a better way to work with it. Otherwise, it's not gonna. There you go. So you know, there is markings on it. There's like blue markings coming out of it. And you could kind of make that a part of it if you like with color. We go right here. I'm mostly kind of doing with thinner lines, kind of copying that outside organic line that I had. And it gives it this, you know, detailed effect right there. And I'm going to do that throughout this part. Like so. And you could kind of craggle them in there as well. Inside, like they're going in here. And again, see, I'm thinking of like stuff like a lightning bolt. Right? Like, you know the way lightning looks like? Like kind of... That's kind of the shapes I'm thinking of. But for the most part, it is random. Anyways, that's it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Hit the subscribe. Oh, I'm sorry. Hit the share button if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like when you do that. It helps the entire channel out. You guys are amazing. If you want anything else from the Godzilla universe, let me know. I will talk to you next time. That was King Kong's axe from Godzilla vs. King Kong. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Talk to you later. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, you know, people that are very, you know, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.